Hey, beautiful people. I'm at it again. I was gonna go to bed, but I watched one of Carlos's videos and he poured through a raspberry container. There's little holes right here, but they're on the bottom. So I'm gonna pour paint through those. I'm gonna sit mine at an angle like that rather than like that, since I have such a small canvas. I'm tired, it's late, so I'm doing a really small one to experiment with. I've already poured my cup. It's got white, blue, light green, green, purple, pink, all that. Sorry, I wanted a short video. So I'm gonna bring the camera down and we're gonna do this, okay? So I'm just gonna kind of do a swirl pour inside of this and see what it does here, okay? Here we go. This is fun. I like this. Thank you, Carlos, for this idea. This is pretty cool. I didn't really take the time to put the paint in cups and pour it in. I just poured it out of my bottles. So what I did was just put a couple of drops of silicone in the cup as I was pouring it, like every third color. Alright, let's swirl it around a bit and give it a torch. I love these colors. This is really pretty. Oh, there's the blue. Finally showed up. The blue finally showed to the party. No, Carlos got rings on his. I didn't get rings when I did mine. Probably because he did a lot bigger canvas. But I still like this. This is really pretty. Ah, crud. Oh, this is what I have an apron for. Yes! We're gonna splatter it with paint. Oh, yeah. It's not going through, is it? Yeah, it kind of is on my shirt. Well, that sucks. Okay, whatever. Reminds me of an Easter egg. I'm just warming the paint up. I'm not getting the torch way down in there or anything. I'm just warming up the paint so some of the cells can come through. It's kind of cool. I think I can get rid of... Let's go this way because I want to keep that little blob of blue. Get rid of a little bit more paint here. Bare spot over here that I'll cover up. Trying to open up that blue a little bit, but it's not really happening. See how much paint we can get on my gloves. Not bad. That one little dot of blue, that is so funny. And it's disappearing. Big old divot there. Gosh, I had a lot of white in there too, and it really didn't come through. Yeah, I should put silicone in my paint when I... Next time I'll mix the paint in cups and layer it that way. I was just being lazy. This will probably be a paint over. But I wanted to try it, you know, why not? It's really pretty though, I love the colors. I think I could probably put a border around there and make it 3D. That would look pretty cool. Okay, so I'm not saying the technique was a fail, it was just my fault for not mixing the paints in a cup and then layering them, but I was lazy. Got a bare spot there. Lots of paint on the edges. Alright, I bought myself some storage racks Not sure where I'm going to put them yet because I've got so much stuff crammed into this room. And I've got so many paintings laying around. That's why I bought them. So I have some place to store my paintings because I have one small little rack and that's not working. So I think what I'm going to do is maybe take some storage tubs out of the closet and put them in the closet. That way they're out of the way. So, but this is really pretty. It reminds me of an Easter egg. Isn't that beautiful? I love it. You can't really see the colors very well on the camera, but it's definitely pretty. Okay, well I'm just gonna let this sit right here for the night, and I'm gonna take these gloves off and go wash out my raspberry container and call it a night. So thanks a lot for watching. I really appreciate it. I hope you liked the video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't, feel free to give me a thumbs down, but tell me why. That's my only rule. And Carlos, thank you so much for having such an innovative idea to pour paint through. I'm gonna do it on a bigger canvas next time and hopefully end up with something cool looking. Not that this isn't cool looking, it's really pretty, but I would like to have it look a little bit better than this. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.